It's Saturday, your boy's dressed up to run some errands. I gotta hit the post office, but then I really need to hit Fedex to make more copies for my painting. If you recall, in the last video, in the last vlog, the last studio vlog, the background of my painting is filled with, I guess, sketches of my character Snow, pulled from the sketchbook, like this guy right here, and I'm just making a bunch of copies of old drawings of him and I'm pasting them on the back using MahmudTheMedium. So I ran out of copies, or I ran out of cutouts. I still have a lot of spaces to fill, so I gotta go back to Fedex to make copies because I don't own a copy machine or a printer because I'm a millennial. That's all I got. Let's go. Not said this before on YouTube, but driving in Miami is trash. And yeah, between the traffic and the drivers here think they're the main character in Grand Theft Auto and everybody else is a side character. That's how people drive in Miami.
Dumb Florida moron.
I looped around, couldn't find a spot, ended up in this Target parking garage, so now let's go make these copies. Got what we needed, time to head out, go home, cut these up, paste them on the background, and keep chugging along on this painting. As you can see, we're back at my messy desk, and it's time to cut these up. Got a bunch of copies of all these sketches of my character Snow, and I need to cut them up so that I can basically glue them onto the canvas background. So let's get into that without further ado. So now I got my cutouts and I got a big mess on my desk, but now it's time to basically glue these onto the canvas. So let's turn over to that. Basically, I'm about to glue these on via this Liquitex acrylic matte medium. And what I'm gonna do, or what I've been doing, is I'm like brushing a little bit of it onto the painting and then brushing a little bit onto like the back of the cutouts and then pasting it on and then brushing over the cutout itself onto the canvas, which is what you'll see in a few seconds here. Through all of my cutouts. As you guys saw in the previous time lapses, I was basically pasting them on using matte medium. With that said, there are still some cracks that I need to fill, like up here, a little bit over there, couple over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill them with yellow notebook paper, kind of like you see already in some of these areas. So that's what I'm planning to do. I think it'll add some variation and variety to the background. Background is mainly whites and grays at this point, depending on the copies that I made. So throwing some of this yellow notebook paper will be a good way to kind of just like, I don't know, just create variation. That'll be the next step. And then from there, I think I'm gonna redefine this halo, make it yellow, maybe do a spray paint around it. I don't know, that might be risky. I might do it, I don't know yet. Or I might just create a glow effect using my acrylic paint with brushes. And then from there, I'll do another layer of like this white outline around the characters. And then it'll be done, finally. And I think that's that for today's vlog. So thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for what's to come. Peace.